Overflowing gutters can impact your Fort Washington, Pennsylvania home more than you would guess. When leaves or water are trapped in your gutter system, your roof, the foundation of your home, and even your family's health could be at risk. Gutters stop water from being trapped on your roof. If leaves or other debris obstruct your gutters, then water can soak into your roof, wearing down your shingles. This could spell disaster for your Fort Washington, Pennsylvania home as water enters through your roof and into the house. Not only can this cause issues in the foundation of your home, but could also even put your health at risk. If clogged gutters cause leakage in your home, mold, mildew, and bacteria could begin to grow. Their presence in your Fort Washington, Pennsylvania home could cause your family respiratory issues and a whole heap of other concerning health issues. The best way to avoid these problems is keep your gutters clean and turn to Baines Roofing to install seamless gutters that prevent overflow. Keep your home and family safe from the aftermath of Montgomery County rain by calling Baines Roofing at 215-855-ROOF for gutter replacement or installation.